Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro yen is definitely drifting up, and because every single time frame is up from the monthly to the 4 hour, we have to keep in mind that no matter what, it could potentially just keep on trending up to the target of the 78% that I have. Now, looking at some of these other correlated yen pairs, I still think there is a chance that this is like a WXY, and it potentially turns down for a wave B before it goes up like that. Definitely a possibility, but until we get like an engulfing move to the downside, I would be very cautious with that analysis because, like I said, it could easily just keep on going up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame for me, if it goes down and if it breaks structure with momentum, then that will help prove that the daily time frame analysis is correct. And at that point, I would start looking for sorts on pullbacks after the break of structure. Until that happens, until we get that break of structure, I am definitely longs all the way. I would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for three-way pullbacks, and if it just keeps on going up, then fine, it keeps on going up. I think the market will tell us if it's ready to go down, and it definitely hasn't told us yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.